Hi Mr. Najmi, Mr. Munjir and Ms. HR. I'm Lee Jia Lin and I'm going to present about my building in this video. So first of all, let's start with my client. My client is artist Red Hong Yi and she is a Chinese Malaysian and also an architectural designer. She is known for using everyday objects and material that she bought at Road Market or Alibaba for her artwork and art installation to transform her understanding as an artist who paints without a paintbrush. For example, she used a basketball and red paint to create a portrait of retired NBA star Yao Ming. For the concept and keyword of my design is modular, which explored by her artwork, which is portrait of Aung San Suu Kyi with 2,000 flowers and red dye that represent her love and passion that she given to us. And another example she used is the technique halftone to produce a portrait of Jackie Chan with the wood chopsticks. And that is where my concept from. And for the PRECEDENT study, I have studied about the modular dimension and the importance of develop a modular architecture from the modular housing concepts by Danish architects. He believing in the importance of architecture rather than size. NODRAM is putting in place a system that starts initially with one modular of 45 meters square, composed to be independent on its own, but with the possibility of creating countless configurations when joined by others. To developing a modular design, I have to include a modular dimension, which is shown on the plan with the red lines. And furthermore, for the materials, I have chosen the ACC concrete block for the wall material, which can deliver a modular concept of the building. And for another material is for cooling. I have chosen low E double glazing window for the passive cooling. And for the space planning, like the bubble diagram has shown, for the ground floor we have entrance, living room, dining room, kitchen, washroom, terrace, storeroom, guest room, bathroom, and another bedroom. And for the first floor, we got studio, reading area, master bedroom, dress room for master bedroom, and master bathroom. So for the site, I've chosen site B as my site. It is located at Tarom Hills Resort, Panting Sangor. Site B is surrounded by Crystal Lake, Palm Tree Plantation, and Limestone Hills. Site B is a flat area, so it will be direct to the sunlight and provide glare. For this solution, I will avoid the building to be faced towards the sun and create a shading wall. Beside the strength for Site B is the great view from different angles and no limitation of the wind flow. But the weakness of this building, which is placed on Site B, is very far from the town, which is inconvenient for the resident to buy the daily needs. The modular window and explore from the concept and the grid line of furniture fitting for the interior perspective. And for the key plan is showing the privacy level of the room by the color that is highlighted. And the location plan shown the terrace of the building is facing the Crystal Lake, which is the best view of the wall. For the roof design, I have designed as a saltbox roof to represent another modular because there is 3 roofs of it. And north elevation and east elevation, here you can see the shading wall that I create for the direct sunlight. And this detail call out can clearly see the material and the construction of the building. And that is all my speech. Thank you so much.